This locomotive can pull thousands of tons of freight, but every part started inside a factory. Every locomotive depends on components like these to move enormous loads every day.
The manufacturing process starts with heavy steel that will become the locomotive structure. These steel sections will form the foundation of the locomotive. Locomotive wheels begin as solid steel billets before any wheel shape exists. At the same time, the future locomotive engine is starting its own manufacturing journey. More structural pieces are being prepared for the locomotive frame. The wheel is beginning to take shape under enormous forming forces.
The first version of the engine block is now visible, although it's still far from finished.
The locomotive is still nowhere near complete, but its major component families have officially begun.
The locomotive frame is starting to become a single structure instead of separate steel pieces.
The engine block is losing its rough casting surfaces and starting to look like a real component. The wheel is starting to take on the profile needed to stay safely on the rails.
The first locomotive axle is finally beginning to take shape.
The locomotive is still far from complete, but its major component families are now growing together. The frame is now growing into a structure large enough to support an entire locomotive. The axle is starting to receive the precision surfaces needed to support locomotive wheels and bearings.
This wheel is now very close to the form it will have when it reaches the railway.
For the first time, the wheel and axle families are moving toward a common assembly process. The locomotive still doesn't exist yet, but many of its most important parts are starting to take shape. For the first time, separate wheel and axle components are coming together.
The first complete wheel set is now visible for the first time.
The engine block is beginning to receive the features that will support its moving internal components. Even before assembly starts, the engine needs internal systems to move oil throughout the block. The locomotive still doesn't exist yet, but many of its most important systems are now taking shape.
The wheel sets are finished, but they still need a structure capable of carrying the weight of an entire locomotive.
The frame is no longer just a structure. It's beginning to accept future locomotive systems.
This crankshaft will eventually convert engine power into rotational motion. For the first time, the future driver's workspace is becoming visible. The locomotive still doesn't exist yet, but the major systems are finally beginning to come together. The bogie frame is now preparing to support wheels, suspension, and the weight of the locomotive. The driver's workspace is beginning to take its recognizable shape. The wheel sets are finally becoming part of a larger locomotive structure. For the first time, the outer structure of the locomotive is starting to appear. The locomotive still isn't visible as a complete machine, but its major subsystems are now taking shape together. For the first time, both wheel sets are becoming part of the same bogie assembly. The locomotive body is beginning to stretch across its full length. The bogie is now beginning to resemble the finished structure that will support the locomotive. The outer structure is now large enough to show the scale of the future locomotive.
The locomotive still hasn't been assembled, but nearly every major subsystem is approaching completion.
The bogie is finally becoming a complete rolling foundation for the future locomotive.
The cab is no longer just a structure. It's beginning to support the equipment needed by the operator. The engine is now gaining the components that will eventually seal and power each cylinder.
The body structure now spans the full locomotive and is approaching its final form.
Nearly every major subsystem now exists. The locomotive itself is the next thing to be born. For the first time, components that were built in separate departments are entering the same assembly process.
The locomotive finally gains a rolling foundation.
One of the largest and most important systems is finally becoming part of the locomotive. The locomotive is now receiving the systems that will keep the engine operating under heavy load. For the first time, the locomotive is beginning to look like a locomotive. The locomotive is finally receiving the structures that will enclose its major systems. The locomotive body is beginning to surround the systems installed inside.
The locomotive is now receiving the systems that will make it visible and operable on the railway.
After months of manufacturing and assembly, the locomotive is finally preparing for its final appearance.
For the first time, the locomotive appears exactly as it will when it enters railway service.
After months of fabrication, machining, assembly, and finishing, the locomotive is finally ready to prove itself. For the first time, every major system is operating together as a complete locomotive.
The machine that began as raw steel is finally moving under its own power. Before entering service, every locomotive must prove that its systems perform correctly under real operating conditions.
The locomotive is now doing the job it was built for, moving enormous loads across the railway network.
What began as steel plates, wheel billets, castings, and raw materials has become a machine capable of